Welcome, trader. In this video, we'll explore how you can customize charts in MT4. MT4 has a black background by default. If you prefer to work in a different color, MT4 allows you to customize the appearance of the charts for your trading needs. Simply right-click on the chart and select Properties. In a new window, you can change colors and customize charts to your preferences. For example, you can change the color of the candlesticks and background color. Once you've set everything to your preferences, you can save your individual settings to a template for new charts. Simply right-click on the chart, select Template, then Save Template, and name your new template. Remember that if you save your template with default as the name, then every new chart will be opened with these saved preferences. This feature allows you to apply several preferences to multiple charts quickly and easily. For most traders, the chart is the most important source of market information. That's why good customization is so important. Let's have a look at the toolbar above the chart where you will find icons. All of these icons are fairly self-explanatory. Just hover the mouse pointer over the icon and read the description. But let's have a quick tour of the buttons. First up are chart types. You can easily change between bars, candles, and line charts. You can also change the time frame to view price movement over different periods or intervals of time. You can zoom in or out on charts using these toggle buttons. You can also apply any technical analysis element to your chart by choosing from a range of tools. If you would like to compare charts side by side, you can open up multiple charts in one window with this icon. As you can see, MT4 offers you everything you need in one place at your fingertips. Adjust the platform to suit your needs today and start trading now. Thank you for watching. See you for the next lesson.